Your Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Delta Cup. It is game number 4 nga po dito sa loob ng Brenzy Giao Convention Center. Para nga sa day number 2 natin. Dito naman tayo sa panig na 17 under ulit as we are live once again dito sa Brenzy Giao Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. Kanina nakita natin itong kupunan na to, Familia Washington DC led by Dexter Santos with a monster double-double. Can he replicate that once again as they go up against the debuting Passion Sports Elite, a returning franchise sa Sinag Liga Asia, ang Passion Sports Elite kontra Familia Washington DC. Isang magandang araw po sa lahat ng mga kasinag na nakatutok from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at iba't ibang bansa na bumumunang Asya. Kami po ang inyong mga kasama. I am Enzo Galarosa and together with me, the Master of Disaster, Coach Paul Joven. Coach Paul, maayong hapon sa iyo.
Maayong hapon, Enzo. This is what, our 4th game?
Yes.
So again, kahit na bukas pa tayo matapos, okay ako. Basta basketball ang pag-usapan natin. Again, Family DC playing on their 2nd game at itong Passion Sport. This is their 1st game. Talking about kanina nga, Derek Santos. FEU Diliman commit. 17-11. What a monster game. Plus, may isang dunk pa yun na ang sobrang ganda. Napatalon tayo dito eh.
Totoo. Siyempre mga kasinag, I know you all are excited to watch this game between Familia, Washington, D.C. and the Passion Sports Elite. Kaya mga kasinag, hindi na namin po kayo pag-aantayin pa. Coming up is the battle between Passion Sports Elite and Familia, D.C. And to introduce our starters of the game, let's turn it over to Rab Valid.
Good afternoon once again, SLA fans, and we're coming to you live inside the amazing Brancy Gao Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. Welcome to Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase, presented to you by Sinag Liga Asia, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, Royce Hotel and Casino. And we're also live at Sinag Liga Asia official FB page and YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. This is our fourth game for the day 2 of the competition, featuring Passion Sports and Familia DC. And now, let's meet the starting 5 for both teams. First, for your Passion Sports. Starting at guard number 9, Irvin Daha. The other guard number 15, Mike Samantilia. At forward number 17, Cedric Sim. The other forward number 19, Cham Arejola. And center number 31, Adi Dezena. Head coach for Passion Sports is JB Gonsalvo. Assistant coaches Sheldon Anthony Dano, Grant Michael Regala, Clayton Lapagala, and Marvin Miranda. Your Passion Sports. And now let's meet the starting 5 of your Familia DC. Point guard number 7, Ben Castellano. Also at guard number 11, Joaquin Quintana. Forward number 31, Jared Bolataulo. The other forward number 3, Romnel Marquez. And center number 33, Dexter Santos. Familia DC is led by Coach Edward Castellano. Assistant coaches are Jay Olmedo and Mike Pineda. Team manager, Ms. Brenda Quintana. Assistant team manager, Ron Melquez. And team owner, Mr. Enrico Quintana. Your Familia DC. Game official charged in action, Ronald Austria, Jason Martinez, and Adrian Andres. This is your Sinag Liga Asia Junior.
Here are your Sinag starters of the game for Passion Sports. They're starting Samantilia, Sim, Daha, Arejola, and Desenia. Para naman dito sa Familia DC, start with Castellano, Quintana, Santos, Bolotaulo, and Marquez. As Santos wins the tip for Familia DC, who dominated the game 17 and 11 kanina, di ba, Coach Paul?
Oo, again, if I'm Passion Sports, I need to press this Family DC kasi nga kanina naglaro na to as Dexter Santos continuing his strong performance.
Tuloy-tuloy talaga yun, Coach Paul.
Oo, kasi nagpapakita rin to yung mga eskwelahan dyan.
Yes.
Nagtitingin na, nagpapapansin yan, sigurado.
Yes, and syempre, pinapa-impress niya si Coach Sean Chambers na secured spot na dapat siya for college daw, di ba?
But then again, 17 under to.
Yes,
2
malayo
to
pa.
3 years,
Malayo pa.
under trainee, tatangkad pa to.
True.
Imagine, if ilagay na natin the way he plays, sige, huwag na siya mag-improve. Tatangkad siya 2 to 3 inches. It's a different ballgame.
Yes, totoo yan. So one of the guys that also impressed you, Coach Paul, is Jared Bolotaulo, who has the basketball right now. Kita mo yung playmaking niya, di ba?
Oo, kasi alam mo, he's a willing passer Alam mo, konti na lang kami na willing passer.
Konti na lang kami na willing passer.
Oh, this guy is a tall guy. I'm talking about number 9 of Passion Sports.
Daha, no?
Si Daha, no? Is skilled pa.
Let's look at the attack right there. For Bolotaulo, kicks it to Castellano. Castellano draws the foul and basket and one down, sabi natin referee.
Oh, ito pa rin kanina eh. No? He's the Robin to the Batman of Dexter Santos. As you can take a look at that replay, it's so nice. We need to see it twice. Castellano on his last game, the Robin of Dexter Santos. He has 8 points, 1 assist, but the leadership, yun yung hindi mo mababayaran eh. At
Yes.
yung wala yan sa stat sheet kasi eh. Siguro yung efficiency, yes. But the intangibles, yung leadership, you cannot quantify that.
That's right. Ganun naman si Dexter Santos off the missed free throw, Coach Paul. Kinuha agad yung rebound and then put it back up and in.
Exactly.
See if Dexter can get both free throws right here. As he misses the first one. Second free throw for Santos. Knocks it down. 1 out of 2 for Dexter. Here comes Passion. Daha. He gets fouled right there. They say it's on Castellano. (5-0) ang ating score early on. 6 minutes and 27 remaining in this first period. Daha swings it. And a good three-pointer right there para dito kay Sim.
Well, for sure, Sim, he has that trifecta on his bag. Kitang-kita mo kasi. Alam mo, ang daming shooter na, alam mo, kitang-kita natin, sa release pa lang, you're confident na papasok.
Godfident.
Confident. I stand corrected. I like that, Edmo.
Siyempre.
Thanks for reminding me. Oh, Sim against 2 defenders. Mahirap. Ano, Sim what? 6 inches.
6 lang.
6 yun eh, yung binigay niya. As you can take a look, that last shot of the quarter, hatid sa atin ng CTO. Si Sim, bakit nasa ilalim siya? Against Dexter Santos kanina.
Totoo naman.
Mga 6 inches yung binigay niya.
Wala pa yung talon dun
Wala pa
yung tumalon.
Oh,
Jumper by Balataulo, wala.
clearly, ito, scouted na yung family DC. Hinahanap na talaga ng big man ng Passion Sports si Dexter. Binabox out agad eh.
Daha immediately attacks him, tried to get him out of the game, no, Coach Paul, para ma-foul out ito si Dexter Santos. Santos gives it to Castellano. Balataulo. Mahaba pa kanilang shot clock. Castellano still fires and knocks it down. Eight to 3 ang ating score in favor of Familia DC as beautiful layup right there galing dito kay Arreola. Castellano brings down the ball. Arreola defends him. He'll down low to the big man, but good tap from behind from Desena. Take a look at this once again. Ang ating lakas drive of the quarter brought by CDO Foods, beer food that brings you home. Galing dito kay Arreola. Balataulo swings it. Quintana, pull-up jumper from the baseline. Doesn't get the bounce. Good box out from Passion Sports Elite. Arreola swings it to the corner. Sim rather. This is the three-pointer. Quintana swings it to Marquez. Marquez flips it up and in from the baseline.
Family DC started this game aggressive. Although they played earlier, as Sim parang medyo mali yung plano niya doon. You cannot,
na naman eh.
oh, you cannot challenge that guy, Dexter Santos. He's the tallest, or if I'm not mistaken, that's number 9. And right now, for sure, hindi pa ito mga 17 under. As you can take a look, our lakas assist of the quarter hatid sa atin ng SM South Mall. We've got it all for you.
First time ko narinig na may kumanta nung tono.
Again, I'm very surprised ha. Batang-bata to. Siguro nasa mga 15 to eh. Playing under 17 under. We're talking about new players now from Passion Sports. You have Labagala, that's number 30. You have number 20, that's Abrasaldo.
But I do like the attitude galing dito kay Coach Edward Castellano. Sabi niya kasi, di porket mas bata, mas maliit yan, eh parang he's telling them wake up kasi parang ayaw niya mag-relax sila. I-underestimate ba? Ayaw nila i-underestimate itong mga players ng Passion Sports Elite despite of the height mismatch. $10 to 5, a 5-point lead para dito sa Familia DC. Daha from the 3-point line. Spins, step through.
Sayang eh. Good move. Traveling lang. Inangat na yung pivot.
So you can see right there, mga assistant coaches, Coach Grant Michael Regala talking to his player. Now, Kio Favis enters the ball game for Familia DC. Quintana gives it to Favis. Instant offense from Kio. And Daha, the tallest man on the floor for Passion Sports, trying to do everything he can for this team.
Yeah, there's a good matchup. Daha and Santos. Sana hindi nila isab yung dalawa, no? Ganda ng matchup eh.
Mas maskulado lang itong si Santos, no?
Medyo batak eh.
Oo. Dexter. Gives it over to Favis. They go down low. Marquez puts it up. He gets fouled.
And this Dexter Santos is just 16, ha?
Oo.
16 years of old. So next year, pwede pa ito mag-17 under.
Totoo. So ibigay natin kay Kim Advincula for her report on Coach Grant Michael Regala.
Play hard and trust each other, as per assistant coach Grant Michael Regala of Passion Sport. He said that they will just stick to their plan because they still don't know how their opponent will play on the game, and we'll just see how things will go. He added lastly that they need to look for Erwin Daha as he is part of the Batang Gilas last year. That's it for now, Enzo and Coach Paul.
Thank you so much, Kim. But yun nga eh, si Erwin Daha pala parte ng Batang Gilas last year. And you can see Coach Grant Michael Regala, if everyone can remember, nung inaugural season ng Born 2001 Cup natin, Coach Grant Michael Regala was the head coach for Passion Sports Elite.
And then talking about Team Rooster, you have Wenchen Ardena, Mike Daniel Samantilla, Ronnie Ace Garan, John Gabriel Canlas, Matthew Gabriel Ted, Dominic Joaquin Ariola, Matt Aaron Madlang Bayan, Raxel Royce Ramos, Kyle Sim, Gil Dicena, Aldrich Labagala, Mark Apaw, John Montemor, Shen Abrasaldo, Bon Daha, John Daya. Sigurado yung mga Daha, magkapatid yan. Sigurado.
Totoo. But the question here, di ba again, Coach Grant Michael Regala, Coach Paul, ito yung mga players ng Passion Sports Camp ni Coach Rob Labagala, di ba? And kita natin eh. I'm willing to ask if kaano kaya ni Governor Eric Ariola of Northport Batang Pier itong si Dominic Ariola dito, di ba?
Siguro mga relatives lang yan.
Ito nga yung number 30, Labagala. Kaano hindi kaya anak ni Coach Rob Labagala to?
Posible kasi Cebuano yun eh.
Oo.
Rob Labagala, a former UE Red Warriors, former PBA part. Hindi, parang part siya ng Passion eh.
Yes, yun nga. Siya yung may-ari ng Passion.
Siya yung di ba?
So baka anak nga niya itong Labagala na to, di ba?
Pwede. Tingnan mo.
Di ba?
May galaw eh.
Oo.
Mabilis ha.
Look at that defense right here for Passion. Quintana. Bad spacing right now for Familia DC as a three-pointer. Mintis for Kio. And look at that. What hustle.
Just a bad foul there on Daha. Kailangan mag-hands up eh. He tried kasi to, steal or slap that ball. And that will be his third.
In the first quarter. For third foul in the first quarter.
You remember on that first game kanina?
Oo.
Family DC against Clifton City Tigers, yung si
Martinez the fourth.
Oo. Foul trouble on the first quarter. Kaya nga, ito si Dexter Santos was very happy playing around with the small boys.
And naalala mo yung sa dulo?
Oo.
Hindi na tayo taktakan si Sarmiento.
Oo.
What more pa kaya ngayon?
Si Sarmiento, na pag-sign of the cross.
Thank you po, hindi na pumasok.
Natuloy, hindi na pumasok. Amen.
Oh. 2 out of 2 para dito kay Dexter Santos. Full court pressure defense, but that's clearly a foul on Favis. I'm wondering, Coach Paul, ano kaya average age nitong mga bata on the floor for Passion Sports Elite?
If I'm not mistaken, 15, 16, sigurado, kitang-kita mo naman sa mga mukha at katawan.
I doubt the 16.
Oh, may siguro 14 pa.
I doubt the 16 yan. Labagala fires.
Boom! Uno, dos, tres. When in doubt, shoot for sure. That guy is not a 15-year-old.
Kita mo yung pulso, Coach Polo. You saw the shot.
And you saw the face. 14 pa siguro yan. Playing in a man's world, 17 under.
Yes.
Mama na yan eh.
Oo. Mama baka mo. Uy. Santos babies that shot. Tignan mo yung laban, oh.
Ito yung basketball.
Yes. Take a look at this once again, Coach Paul. That three-pointer from Labagala.
You saw that last shot of the quarter at inside the CDO foot that brings you home when in doubt. Shoot!
Grabe. And kita mo parang ginanahan yung Passion Sports after that. Oh!
Really a foul there, a blocking foul. Good rip, good pass. Garan, 2 trips to the line.
Grabe. Ipalaban eh. Again, do not underestimate the height mismatch na Coach Paul. Lumalaban yung Passion Sports Elite eh.
No, importante, laban ka. Huwag tingnan yung box score.
Yes.
Always play with character. Always play hard. Again, hard work always pays off.
If talent fails to work. Ay, hindi. Tinuloy ko na. 38.7 seconds, 2-point lead para sa Familia DC. Castellano. Favis. Goes down. No, hindi ready si Castellano.
Oh, sayang eh. Maganda sana yung intention eh. Hindi lang nakita kasi every time sa lahat ng mga nanonood live, when you cut, always cut with a purpose. Hindi lang yung kakat ka lang. What if ma-open ka, kagaya nun? Hindi mo lang tinignan yung passer.
Eh, nakita ng passer mo.
Na-open ka.
Oo. Sabi mga bihira na kayong ganun eh.
Oo.
Labagala.
Oh, that's a hard arcing shot. Parang hinahanap talaga. So alam nila na may tira talaga to.
Yes. Kita mo. Even the crowd of the other teams are starting to cheer.
For sure, that's a 12-year-old. Or maybe a 13-year-old. Hindi pwedeng 15 yan, ha? I stand ko. Check ko yun mamaya. As Castellano flexing his muscle with that trifecta to end our first quarter.
Yes, and Castellano saying, he got hit din. Flex, tas sabi niya, tamaan din ako.
So yung N1 play daw as we can take a look. Our first quarter highlights, Passion Sports versus Family DC with Daha all on a foul trouble. Dexter Santos, a happy guy inside the court. No one can stop him, only Daha.
That's right, Coach Paul. And that's Labagala's three-pointer kanina sa Familia DC magbabaon ng 5-point lead at the end of the first quarter, 18-13.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
did you know that Erwin Daha is part of the Batang Gilas last year and right now he is playing as forward of Passion Sport? And he is just 17 years old studying at LaSalle Subel. He dedicated this game to his family as he worked hard at rebounding and giving points to the team. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Paul.
Thank you so much, Kimberly. As Batang Gilas last year, nag-aaral sa De La Salle Zobel. Diba? So itong si Daa, high expectations for this young kid, this tall player ng Passion Sports Elite team. But yun nga, tough task dahil they're going up against Familia DC na we saw kanina dominated the Clifton Tigers, diba?
Oh, what a game there. Start of the first quarter, maganda yung labanan. But then again, yung biggest guy ng Clifton Tigers was just in foul trouble.
Yes.
Same here with Passion Sports. Si Daha, may 3 na, first quarter pa lang.
Totoo. Parehong-pareho lang no, ginawa ni Dexter Santos.
Oo.
Here's an attack. Oh, what a shot there.
Kapapasok pa lang Ariola.
Yes. Pull-up jumper by Olmedo who waxed hot in the latter part of that game kanina against Clifton Tigers na Coach Paul.
Oh, they already have a win on their standings.
Yung takbuhan parehong kupunan, Coach Paul. Oh. Everyone just, parang pag nakuha ang bola, takbo lang ng takbo eh.
Oh, Ariola again. Back-to-back 2 points for that guy.
Now down to just 3 points. Ang kalamangan ng Familia DC. Olmedo. 6 minutes and 52 remaining in the second period. They swing it over and that's a clear traveling violation. Whistle here on Palmiara. Look at this once again. Ariola all alone for our Lakas fast break of the quarter. Brought to you by Winston's Cafe. (20-17) is our score. Samantilla goes down low. Good drive and good defense right here for Familia DC. Favis coast to coast. Couldn't get the layup to drop. Big rebound by Bolotaulo. Oh, good escape move and the basket right there.
A hard-working player deserves a shot like that. Their leading now goes back to 5 points with Dexter Santos sitting on the bench.
Yes. Para ba pag ganyan yung Dexter Santos?
Oh, shout out. Baro, Curb Moots. Bakit Curb Moots yung Facebook mo, Baro? Ito yung mga tauhan ni Roy, Roy Ruiz, our live streaming partner sa Cebu, who's now our live stream partner sa ibang gym.
Sa Dabsu.
Sa Dabsu, yes.
Dabsu, I think Bacolor.
Oh,
Both venues there.
Exactly.
As Ariola draws the foul. Good move right here by Dominic Ariola. Castellano gets whistled for the foul, and then a substitution right here. Babalik si Quintana on the floor. And also John Yambao, replacing both Favis and Castellano. Ariola with 2 free throws.
Ariola, kapapasok pa lang, already has 6 points rather on his name. Sigurado itong si Daha, hindi natin ito makita sa first half na.
Oo.
Second half na siguro unless he has that clear trust of his coaches.
Na hindi na siya pa-foul. Pero again,
Yeah.
it's Dexter Santos ang babantayan niya if ever, di ba?
Oh, again, the discipline. As Bolotaulo, there's no man in the middle that can stop him. Automatic na yan eh. Every time he has the ball, he has that thinking na I need to go to the nearest basket.
Totoo. Points in the paint siguro lamang na lamang sobra tong Familia DC.
Oh, sigurado without Daha there who's on foul trouble. As Ariola missing the 3 points.
Tumatakbo na naman itong mga nakapula. Palmaira draws the foul.
Kamikaze move there. yung mga nakakatakot na mga ganun, no?
Oo. And then, Palmaira draws the foul on Ariola.
Alam mo yung naka-landing, hindi tumitingin sa landing spot.
Totoo.
Yung natatakot tayo, eh.
Commentator pa lang tayo. Paano pa kaya pag ikaw yung nandun sa sitwasyon na yun, no, Coach Paul?
Oh, sus, ginoo. Well, again, bata pa kasi.
Totoo. Wala na. Parang ano pa sila eh. No regard pa talaga for safety gaan ng mga players. Talon lang ng talon, di ba, Coach Paul?
Oh, parang they're just regarding,
0 for 2, but look at that. Speaking of talon, Bulutaulo again.
Oh, good block.
Fight for the loose ball. Passion Sports comes out. Good kick out right there. Floater's blocked from behind, but the referee says a foul.
Oh, nagpapasab na nga yung number 23, Madlang Bayan. For Passion Sports, medyo nasaktan siya on that rebound. Montemor, luckily, was called for a foul. Wala na siyang mapuntahan doon. So, 2 free throws for this young guy.
Sabit na, Coach Paul dun sa likod eh.
Oh, pag may kapit, may sabit. Kinapitan eh.
Totoo.
Sabi nga ni Coach Hammer, Antonio, shout out. Kapit tayo kay Jesus, huwag sa kalaban.
Totoo.
Di ba?
Lagi sinasabi yan. As 2 out of 2 from the free throw line. Itong si Montemor. 4 minutes and 18 remaining in this first half. Palmaira to Marquez. Marquez flips it up and in. And a full court pressure being applied here by Familia DC. Para sa kanila, Coach Paul, no, gusto nilang lumamang na ng malaki bago ba magkaroon ng chance bumalik yung dahas. We take a look at this Euro step move galing dito kay Marquez.
Pagbigyan mo kasi ng chance, again, basketball is a weird game.
Yes.
It's a game of runs, game of momentum. Pagbigyan mo ng kumpiyansa, papasok at papasok yung mga tira na yan.
Gaya nun.
Kagaya nun.
Binatol lang, pumasok, pero not counted sa akin nating referee. 3 minutes and 52 natitira sa ating first half. Te, kontra Bulutaulo. Te swings the basketball. Good defense right here from Familia DC. Montemor couldn't handle it. Decena. Another offensive rebound by Decena. The jumper still out of sync. One thing para din sa Passion Sports, Coach Paul, if this is a team na hindi naman halos 17 years old, no, Coach Paul?
Oo, kitang-kita mo. Mukha pa lang, katawan pa lang. Alam mong batang-bata pa. Good steal there by Lucena. Against him in the world, wala, getting his own rebound.
Fall-away jumper for Te, wala pa rin.
Parang, alam mo yung vision at mission ng Passion Sports, no? Para bang walang mababanggo, everyone will play.
Oh. Equal opportunity.
Oh.
Look who's coming in.
And now, Dexter Santos, parang sabi na ng coach, kailangan idiin na this early of our ball game. And we have a timeout, 20-26, a 6-point lead by Family DC.
Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Delta Cup is brought to you by CDO Food Spear, food that brings you home. Itong Familia DC. You see some of the fans here inside the Brencigliao Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. 3 minutes and 7 natitira sa ating first half. Familia DC abante ng 6 na puntos. For sure mga iba't iba. And of course, the head coach of the Clifton Tigers getting ready kasi may laro pa dito yung Clifton Tigers no Coach Paul.
And all the beautiful ladies inside Brenzy Giao Center. Akala kasi ng mga courtside, sila lang yung magaganda dito. May mga fans rin tayo. Bakit natawa ka?
Totoo naman kasi sinasabi mo eh. Nagulat lang ako, nakakala ng mga courtside sila lang magaganda. Hindi ako tatawa.
Narinig kaya tayo?
Hindi.
Unless they will see it live or on a replay.
Wala sila, parang ano eh.
Walang amok, walang...
Oh, hindi nila tayo, ibig sabihin hindi nila tayo naririnig.
Gusto ko marinig nila.
Sabihin mo na lang harap-harapan.
Mas bastos yun.
Ganun ba?
Oo.
Ay di, 3 minutes and 7 yun. Sige, babalik ko mamaya.
Castellano. Quintana. Naghahanap sila ni Dexter Santos eh.
Totoo. Pero Bulutalo with a step back jumper, no go. Marquez tried to keep it alive, rebounded by Passion.
I like this cohesiveness of Passion Sports as Garan na wala bigla eh, kumuha ng offensive rebound.
Totoo. Good kick out pass, di na naman pumasok. But another offensive board for Passion.
Oh, good pass. Hindi lang tayo tinira.
Ted did not see na libre siya ng konti doon.
Oh, Garan. A lefty guard with a trifecta. When in doubt, shoot. As you can see, all of his teammates are applauding him with a hard rebound on the other end. And this time, connecting for our trifecta is hatid sa atin ng CDO, our lakas shot of the quarter, food that brings you home.
And what a shot there by Garan, and it cuts the lead down to just 3 points, 26-23.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
3-point lead para dito sa Familia DC after Garan cut it down to 3 after that triple. Booming triple na kanina. 2 minutes natin tira sa ating first half. Bulutaulo to Santos. Akala ko makikita natin dadakot ulit eh.
Dexter Santos without Daha is a happy-go-lucky inside the court. Kahit ano nang pinagagawa eh. We got the steal. Tutuloy niya yan. An easy 2 points back-to-back by Dexter Santos. Sabi nga, Enzo, too easy.
Alam mo parang anong nai-imagine ko ngayon. Ganyan siguro itsura ng Wembanyama pag tayo nakalaban.
Siguro. Or kahit yung mga NBA player.
Yun nga itsura niya sa NBA pa.
Diba? Exactly. Aste getting offensive rebound is Passion Sports. Is a team enjoy to watch. They're just playing Garan against Dexter Santos. You gotta give credit to that guy. Yung puso niya and yung hard work niya always pays off.
Ika mo nga eh, bastos yun eh.
Oh, bastos yun against, what, 6'3", 6'4", Dexter Santos. Gusto bumawi.
Alam mo eh, gusto niyang bumawi.
Oo, ay siyempre. Nasutan mo ako?
Oo. Take a look at this once again, ang ating lakas moment of the quarter brought to you by Converge FiberX. Experience better with Converge. Santos underneath Mintes. Battle for the rebound. There's a foul.
But that time, Garan was called for a foul. But again, a pesky defender, a hard-nosed defender. He may be small, but the heart of that guy against Dexter Santos.
As Marquez tried to steal one off the inbound. Good hands by Garan.
Oh, good challenge there by Castro. Was it Palmera?
Yes. Marquez. Baltonat. And three-pointer by Castellano, wala yun.
So far, without Daha, Lucena has been a revelation on this team of Passion Sports, getting his 4th rebounder, 4th rebound of the game as Samantilia squeeze it in for a 2-pointer, getting down the lead to 3.
Passion Sports coach pala, they're keeping in step with Familia DC right now. And they're playing the much physical defense pa.
Yeah, they're very physical. Clearly a foul. That's a foul on Te, but Castellano, siya pa yung mas malaki. Siya pa yung nawala sa espasyo.
Because we have a timeout here for Coach Edward Castellano. They want to make sure they get a quality shot here at the final seconds. As ngayon, ibigay natin kay Kim Advincula for her report on Coach Edward Castellano.
Coach Edward Castellano of Familia DC said that nothing changed, same strategy and just stick on the plan. He added also that they will still continue the full court press on the opponent and strong offense to the team. He advised also that whoever open, play is smart. Back to Enzo and Coach Paul.
Thank you so much, Kim. And yun nga pag pinagpapatuloy nga nila full court press, and that's respect. Pero nagugulat ako, Coach Paul, wala pa yung Nathan Igia sa floor for Familia DC. Yung number 2 na may shoot. Pinakita tayo na shooting tsaka layup kanina.
Baka relax muna or may iniinda, may bukas palaro. But again, maybe on the second half, they're still leading with 3 points. But for sure, baka kailangan gagamitin.
3.3 seconds. Let's see how they end this. Santos. Triple team. It forces up a wild shot there for Dexter Santos. But how about the Passion Sports Elite, Coach Paul?
Alam mo, lahat ng player ng Passion Sports nakapasok na. They're just playing hard basketball. They're helping each other on this first half of game. This is our second quarter highlights. Kanina, number 19, Abdasa or Ariola. 6 straight points. Kung sinong pumasok, may naibibigay. Kaya itong Familia DC is just up by 3 points. Considering, Enzo, wala itong Daha the most of the first half.
Yes, and the height mismatch nga, Coach Paul, di ba? Ang laki in favor of Familia DC. So, tuwa yung mga fans natin dito. As Familia DC, abante na 3 puntos at the half. 30-27 kapit na mga kasinag. Tayo po ay magbabalik dito sa Sinang Liga Asia.
Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
Oh! Yan na naman siya! Kalma lang tayo! Lamang tayo ng isa! There's a foul away from the play. Sandwich between two.
Sobrang bilis ba? Iyan ang bilis ng FiberX. Iyan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Ako nga po pala si Justin Bautista ng Pampanga Delta. Tutok lang po kayo sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
Ako'y Daniel Pineda ng Pampanga Pradera Team Park. Tutok lang sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
Good day, mga kasinag. Ako po si Rodney Santos, PBA Legends, Sinag Liga Asia Commissioner. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Queensins Cafe. At ano naman, Naga Cebu. Interview natin ang batang-batang may-ari. Siyempre si Vince De La Puente. Makita niya naman, batang-bata.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
This is your Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase 17 Under Passion Sports 27. Familia DC playing their second game of the day. Highlights muna tayo on that first half. Again, Passion Sports, the smallest guy on the court, Labagala with that trifecta. With Daha playing 3 fouls on the first quarter, hindi na binalik. Kaya nga itong Familia DC having the time in their life on the shaded area. They have points in the paint, 20 against 12 lang ng Passion Sports. At ito namang Sigaran, the heart of this guy, getting an offensive rebound and quick 4 points for both for Garan for Passion Sports. And for Passion Sports, 37% from the field, 10 out of 27. Familia DC, 12 out of 27, 44%. But again, with Castellano, Palmera getting that assist as a team with 7 against 2 for Passion Sports. Steals, and again, yung bench points, kahit sino na lang pinapasok ng Passion Sports, may ibibigay talaga. And talking about Labagala and Garan.
That's right, Coach Paul. And one thing para dito sa Familia DC, we haven't seen Rocco Melicori yet on the floor din.
Exactly. And also, itong si Igia.
Yeah.
No? Wala pa. Leading scorers for both teams, Ariola 5, Garan with 6, Daha with 4. Labagala with 3. Although Daha just only played a few minutes on the first quarter, may ambag pa rin eh. Dexter Santos, of course, for Familia DC. Castellano, the Batman and Robin of this team. Marquez with 5 and Fabis with 4. Missing link Don Igia, who did not play on that first half.
That's right, Coach Paul. At kaya po mga kasinag, sa pagbabalik natin, it's the second half ng laban ng Passion Sports Elite kontra Familia DC.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga, kahit di sabihin. Feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
The Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Delta Cup is brought to you by Cable Link and Holdings Corporation. You can watch SLA's Games of the Week every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday sa Cable Link Channel 59. Sa Passion Sports Elite, fighting for every point that they have. And that's why dikit pa rin ang ating laro. Every rebound, every point, talagang binibigay ng Passion Sports. The 5 on the floor, they're everything. But this man, Dexter Santos, is just too big, too strong, too good, dominating the game. As again, we take a look at the lineup dito na Familia DC. We already saw a couple of players kanina. Dexter Santos out of FEU Diliman. Ito nga si Benicio Castellano and Rocco Melicor. So far, hindi pa natin nakikita ngayong araw sa laro, Coach Paul.
Yeah, we're gonna need our courtside reporter, Kim, to ask what happened, why itong si Melicor at Igia hindi pa ginamit.
Totoo yun. Grabe nga yung performances nilang dalawa kanina, and you'd want to go 2-0 at the end, di ba? Pagkatapos na itong araw na to sana if you're Familia DC.
Siyempre kasi nga, every game counts after first round of elimination, top 2, pasok ng semifinals.
Yes. Kasi ito, a foul on the drive ni Palmaira. And he'll get 2 free throws right here. It's about the free throws shooting na para din sa Familia DC. Palmaira misses the first one. Let's see if he can knock down the second. May dalawang celebrity na dumating na, Coach Paul.
Dalawang gwapong mama, Boss Eric Quintana and Boss Ray Alaw. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Amen. There's Boss Ray Alaw, our President and CEO. Sinag Liga Asia, Mr. Sinag himself. Dito naman, Boss Eric Quintana, the team owner, Familia DC, and also our Vice President of International Affairs.
Good start for Familia DC still. Earning automatic 2 points. You know, maganda tong matchup na to eh. Kanina ko pa ito pinag-usapan. Daha versus Santos. I need a Daha to be disciplined. Not to commit a foul. I want him to play. Not to sit around on the bench.
Ayan na yung Parang Holmgren Wembanyama natin.
Oo. Ariola. When in doubt, shoot. Ariola still very aggressive onto this game. He is now the high mark man now for Passion Sports with 12 points.
Hindi malayo na anak to ni Governor Eric Ariola eh.
Pwede kasi yung mukha eh. Let's ask later on.
And if in fact na anak nga yun ni Governor Eric Ariola, I'm not gonna be surprised bakit shooter.
Eh, mahilig din yun sa basketball.
Governor Ariola's actively playing sa lakas 40 ng Sinag Liga Asia. Kita mo yun, good jumper there by Ariola. May stare down pa.
Yeah, but I like the extra pass there of Daha, not forcing that double team. Oh, good pass there to Bulotaulo to Santos. They want to pressure the defense here of Daha. Kasi maging undisciplined siya. He will commit that fourth foul. As Daha, with that open jumper, wala pa rin.
Totoo. Two options na naman si Daha eh. Either he fouls si Santos or hindi na siya didepensa at all, di ba? Taas kamay na lang siya.
Exactly. And with that, syempre, you will not be used on the defensive side.
Yes.
Mahirap doon. Ikaw pa yung pinakamatangkad. Ikaw pa yung hindi magdidepensa.
Liability ka na at that point.
For sure.
Sim, three-pointer. Off the mark. Oh, look at that. Smallest man on the floor with the offensive rebound. And the putback para dito.
And imagine, Enzo, that is only his first rebound of the game.
What? First?
With Daha.
Look at that. Di nakita ni Santos and
but if I can lip read what he said, sabi niya, and one, boy. I like that character. Attitude eh.
May boy.
Oo.
Daha makes it. Makes the free throw. 7 points na siya kanya, di ba?
Oh, may mga pride yan eh. Gilas member yan eh.
Of course. Uy! I thought Santos would throw that one down off the miss.
Pwede.
Ito an attack. Good block right there by Daha. There you go. We asked. Gumambol siya doon, Coach Paul.
Ako ba? Napakiling ako eh.
Kala mo, nung
baka mag-foul eh. He needs to be disciplined eh. Pwede nga nga ibigay na lang yung 2 points eh.
Yes.
Bigay mo na. Baka ma-foul ka pa.
Pero yun nga, ma-pride eh.
Yun nga, but he needs to be smart, especially for passion sports. Wala siyang ibang kapilitan dyan. Pasalamat na nga lang siya. Itong si Dicena playing superb backup role on that first half.
Totoo. He's right here. 5 minutes and 23 seconds remaining dito sa ating third period. Open three-pointer for Ariola off the mark. Santos again with another rebound. Palmaira uses the Santos pick. Mismatch right here and immediately a foul is called on Shen Abrasaldo.
A hard-nosed defender. Yun naman talaga binibigay eh. Alam mo, if you just know what's your role, yun yung importante sa basketball team eh. Hindi pwedeng lahat scorer, hindi pwede, di ba? It should be defined.
You should have your... Every dynasty, di ba? The Chicago Bulls had their Dennis Rodmans, Luke Longleys, mga Luke Harper, ganun. Mga pampalitan mo ka. Dito naman sa Golden State, they had their Draymond Greens, Kevon Looney's, di ba mga... And syempre, para masaya yung nasa Obi-Ban, yung Boston Celtics, they have their Derek White, di ba?
Kasama mo na si Horford.
Al
Grabe
Horford, sige. Oh, Al Horford fan yun sa Direct Nomar eh. Ito tumatakbo. Itong Pamilya DC and the floater by Castellano.
Castellano, they're Batman and Robin. The Batman is Santos and ito naman Castellano, the Robin for Familia DC. Oh, good tap from behind Derek Santos. Will he get the fourth foul of Daha?
Again, another gamble from Daha, Coach Paul.
But that time, hindi siya medyo aggressive eh. Medyo, yes, nag-block siya, but just enough to challenge.
Taas.
Yeah,
abangan niya sa taas.
Exactly. Just enough to challenge the shot of Derek Santos.
14 seconds to shoot for the men in red. And as a three-pointer is a miss there in Daha with a rebound. Look at him bring down the ball pa, Coach Pancho. Three-pointer right here. In and out nga lang. Para dito kay Samantilla. Look at that rebound by Ariola. Traveled nga lang when he tried to put it back up and in.
Yeah, sayang eh. Hindi niya kinik out sa right side niya. Sayang yung offensive rebound. Still a 5-point lead now by Familia DC.
3 minutes and 46. Dikit pa rin eh. And you can see Coach Castellano of Familia DC not happy na kasi Mango dahil parang hinahayaan nilang makatambay-tambay lang dito within 5 points itong Passion Sports na Coach Paul.
Oo. As again, that time because of his fouls. Itong si Daha, yung help defense niya, hindi medyo aggressive. And again, I like that decision. Huwag mong i-gamble, malayo pa tayo.
Ariola decides to attack. That'll be a foul. I believe it's going to be on Dexter Santos. Pangalaman niya na yan. Take a look at this once again. Fabis attacking the middle and the shortstop jumper there off the dribble.
Oh, yung mga skillful eh. Alam mo, one dribble, looper. Yun yung mga importante. Kahit gano'n katangkad yung depensa sa'yo, you always have a chance.
Totoo. There's a kickball violation whistled on Marquez. Oh, sorry, Castellano daw. A holding foul. Balik ulit itong si John Yambao. Again, still no Igea and Melicor for Familia DC.
Baka may iniinda. Let's wait sa report ng courtside reporter natin na si Kim Advincula.
Possible no Coach Paul as Fabis with a running start. Fabis trying to go coast to coast. Oh, ho, ho.
Pabandang tira. I think they know each other as Daha and Fabis talking to each other.
Yes. As Daha pulls up off the mark. Rebounded by Marquez. Palmaira. Swings it to Fabis. Good rebound by Daha. Oh, good strip from behind, but referee says it's a foul.
Dalawa yun eh. Either of the two. May foul na ang tinawag ng ating referee. Mas maganda yung angle niya.
Palitan ng tao dito for Familia DC as there's the tap from behind. It's a timeout for Passion Sports Elite. They're currently down by 9 points. 42-33, 2 minutes and 31 natitira sa ating third period.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
You can follow us on all of our social media platforms at Sinag Liga Asia on both Facebook and Instagram. As right now, let's turn it over to Kim Advincula for her update. Right now, Kim?
As per said of Coach Edward Castellano of Familia DC, the reason why he didn't play Nathan Igea and Rocco Melicor to the game is that the league only allowed 3 local players to play per game, but he has 6 Filipino residents, so he needs to make a way to mix his players well. Back to you, Enzo and Coach Paul.
So we have a rule. Thank you so much, Kim, for that update. We have a rule na 3 players to play. Parang yung naalala ko di ba?
Yung 21 under natin nun. Yung local, homegrown, of course. We're the one who made that rule. Siyempre kasi, again, we're developing...
ano tawag mo dun sa... Ano tawag natin dun sa...
Where we all started it. The league that we started.
There you go. Yun na yung pangalan.
And we grew.
Totoo naman. We grew and we shined. Kaya nga sinag na tayo. Fabis. Hands it off to Yambao.
Pero yun yung maganda kasi with that kind of league and we have a kind of league like this, ang daming avenue for all the players to play. As Fabis, nag-drawing pa ng Ilipente at Kalabaw sa ere.
Grabe naman.
Hirap
artistic. Oo. Now a 10-point lead, the biggest lead of the ball game for Familia DC. Ito na yung onslaught na sinasabi natin, Coach Paul, kanina. Ariola. Gives it to Daha. He'll attack, he'll spin. That's gonna be a traveling violation whistled here.
Oh, sayang. Good cut there by Garan. Good read on the opposite side of the court. Na-travel lang.
Palmaira. They give it to Marquez, being hounded right now. Marquez attacks, good drop pass. Palmaira squeaks through. Who's the foul gonna be on? Is it gonna be on Daha?
Wala, hindi. Number 23.
There you go.
That foul will be on Madlang Bayan.
Medyo na kinabahan si Daha nung pumito eh.
And then nasa babae, if you can
oh.
look at this replay, it's so nice we need to say it twice. That's Fabis from Familia DC.
What a performance in this third quarter from Familia DC, no, Coach Paul. It's totally a complete 180 from what happened in the first half. As you can see, Coach Edward Castellano on your screen, still not happy. Asimhangot pa rin.
Oh, Fabis now. He has what? 10 points, 5 out of 9 from the field. Palmaira making 1 out of 2 free throws.
And one thing para dito kay Palmaira, no, Coach Paul, palitan sila ni Bulutaulo eh. Pero pareho pa rin yung effectiveness nilang dalawa. Here comes the men in white of passion. Daha pulls up from the outside. Ariola. And he steps out of bounds. Good blitz there off the pick and roll. So you can see right there the coaching staff of Passion Sports Elite. Coach Grant Michael Regala is the coach of Passion Sports. Fabis pulls up. Go in labanan sa rebound. Cleared right here. Daha all the way to the basket.
And one play there for Daha. Yun yung kailangan niya gawin eh. Don't settle for a shot. Kaya naman niya atakin yun eh.
So if we take a look at this once again, good attack there by Irvin Daha. He knew he was gonna take that coast to coast when he wasn't looking to give it up. Ariola no initial na hinihingi sa backcourt.
Yes, exactly.
He makes the bonus free throw.
We cut down the lead to 9. Tanungin natin mamaya, itong si Daha at Fabis still talking to each other. Magkikilala to sigurado.
Baka, no?
Oo.
There's a chance. Fabis did not play in earlier game, Coach Paul. It's Clifton Tigers. Fabis fires. Abawi. Yambao. Off the mark pa rin. Final 27 seconds of the third period. Corner three-pointer for Passion Mintis. But again, ang sisipag ng mga players nila, Coach Paul. Just like that, Daha hooping the harm.
2 straight and 1 play by Daha. Slowly but surely, you can feel now the game of Daha. As ito yung lakas grab of the quarter sa atin. Hatid sa atin ng fully tech. Chance to complete that and 1 play. Daha so far, even though he just played 3 minutes on that first quarter after committing 3 fouls, he has now 11 points, 5 out of 9 from the field.
Si Dexter Santos, Coach Paul, kanina first game, diba? First half, 22 of the 24 minutes nilaro.
Oo.
So far ngayon, parang gano'n na lang ginagawa niya eh.
Oo. Kailangan na rin kasi. And that will be it for our third quarter. What a run so far for Passion Sports. A 6-0 run all by himself. Itong si Daha for Passion Sports.
You can take a look at the third quarter highlights and all Familia DC highlight reel, Coach Paul. It started with Dexter Santos and then of course sabi mo nga, Batman and Robin eh. Castellano with that patented floater. Right here, yung atake ni Fabis ending up with a shortstop jumper. Great attacking the closeout there for Fabis. That's why lamang pa rin sila ng 5 puntos dito, 45-40 entering the fourth and final quarter.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. makers of quality uniform.
Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup, brought to you by Fulitech Philippines Incorporated, our official advertising partner dito sa Sinag Liga Asia. As we can see, the pretty faces here inside sa Brenzy Giao Convention Center. Some of the fans here, mga families ng mga players na naglalaro dito.
Oo, syempre, again, they're here to support their family. They're here to support Sinag Liga Asia. Eh, ang daming magagandang laro eh. Kasi, again, hindi natin alam eh. Someone here will be the next big thing for Philippine basketball.
That is true. Ika nga ng kakilala ko, Coach Paul, sinasabi nga niya palagi, makakarelate si Direk Nomar dito, the future of Philippine basketball. Pwedeng makita natin dito sa Sinag Liga Asia.
Eh, na-cover nga natin noon eh, si Andy Gimao eh.
Yeah, that's true.
Diba? Ngayon, patok na patok kahit saan eh.
Yes, as Bulutaulo steals it away from Daha. And alam ko yun na yung chance ni Santos mag-poster dunk eh. Nonetheless, 2 points pa rin yan for Dexter Santos.
Oo, pwede.
Oh, ganda naman ang bawi na yun. Galing dito kay Matt ng Bayan. Tambaw to Bulutaulo. Flash the baseline ang ginawa ni Santos and he knocks down the baseline jumper.
Changing baskets now. Ablasaldo trying to be the general here for Passion Sports.
Oh, ho, ho. Back-to-back hits. Hill Decena naman ngayon na nakakuha ng baseline jumper.
Yeah, this is the first time Decena and Daha played together. Kasi kanina si Decena yung backup ni Daha.
Yes.
Tingnan natin, will it be a good decision now for the coaches of Passion Sports? I'm talking about Coach Victor Gonzalo and Coach Sheldon Dano.
It's out of bounds call there. Turnover para dito kay Olmedo. Castellano comes back into the game. Olmedo uupo. 8 minutes and 31 na titira sa ating fourth and final quarter. Canlas. Give it back here. Daha off a DHO. Daha fires. Still can't knock down a triple.
Hindi ba yung laro niya? Kailangan kasi yung 6 straight points niya, inararo niya sa ilalim eh. Inatake niya. Ngayon, again, he's settling for jump shots.
That's right. That's right here. Dito si settle sa jump shot. He's going to attack the basket just like that. But he misses. Talking about Dexter Santos. Ooh, what a save. In and out nga lang yung jumper na yun for Favis.
Yeah, just a bit of a force shot that time for Favis. Hindi niya nakita on the other side. Open as Dap. That time, passing it to Ablasaldo.
Passion Sports really struggling from the outside, no, Coach Paul, especially from the three-point line pag wala si Ariola on the floor.
Oo. And for sure, that will be a quick rest. Kitang-kita natin Ariola is already on the bench, ready to sub.
5 seconds on the shot clock for the men in red. Favis fires. Off the mark pa rin. Ablasaldo. No good.
4 shot.
We've seen a lot of that ngayong araw, Coach Paul, no? Transition, instead na atakihin, titira ng tres, di ba?
Yes, just being young, immature. Again, you'll be mature with just this kind of experiences. As there was a foul called on Decena.
Again, let's give it over to Francine Advincula for her report on Coach Grant Michael Regala of Passion Sports.
After their huddle, I had the chance to talk to Assistant Coach Grant Michael Regala. He said, go hard sa defense dahil ang lamyan ng start. Plus, he added that the reason why they are struggling is because most of the players are first-timer on this kind of event and kinakapa pa din nila ang laro. Back to you, Enzo and Coach Paul.
Thank you so much, Kim. And totoo yan eh, that has always been the trend for Coach Rob Labagala's Passion Sports Elite. Again, Coach Grant Regala was the head coach nung season 1 of the ng Born 2001 Cup natin for Passion. Ngayon, assistant coach na siya. And then may mga players sila doon, Coach Paul, na first time pa lang sumali sa mga liga.
Syempre, alam mo yung experience pag kulang ka talaga. No matter how good you play, makikita mo yung immaturity mo eh. Kasi basketball, yung split decision time, importante yung decision making eh. As that time, Daha opted to attack, good things happen.
Pag siya umaatake, nagbe-breakdown yung defense, may nalilibring shooters, a lot of things happen para sa panig ng Passion Sports. Maybe, yun nga, what more pa kaya if he did not have to sit down for like, what, 80-70% of the first half due to foul trouble.
Exactly. Tatlo yun sa first quarter eh.
49-45, 6 minutes and 19 natitira. Daha, 1 out of 2 pa rin. Look at that, Coach Paul. No Dexter Santos on the floor for Familia DC. Castellano. Step back triple. Ooh, nearly got it to go. Ariola. 5 minutes and 52 remaining. Ariola scoop shot. Muntik na yun.
Good decision that time. Kung hindi pa niya dinaan sa right side niya, buta tayo eh. And he was called for a foul, earning him 2 free throws and a chance to cut down the lead to 6 or to 45-49. Again, this is your Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Back here inside the Brenzy Giao Convention Center, the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. As there you go, we can see our President CEO, Boss Ray Alao, and our Vice President of International Affairs, Coach Eric Quintana, on your screens. Mukhang may dinidiscuss na atang future plans for ano.
Marami na kasi nagtatanong. So, automatic pag season 2 natin, anong mas mahigit sa world?
Universe?
Universe or Galaxy?
Galaxy.
Galaxy Showcase.
Yung Universe Showcase, malupit yun. Saan tayo lalaro? Sa Mars? Bolotaulo. 2 points na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Familia DC. Castellano being hounded. Santos now back in. Step back. Bigay kay Bolotaulo. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Santos beats the buzzer.
Santos has been very quiet with Daha on the court, but right now, he wants to be aggressive kasi nga alam nila, it's winning time.
Totoo. Right here, baseline jumper. Di nga alam pumasok. And there's a whistle away from the ball.
Sayang. Open na open yun.
Let's take a look at this once again. Bolotaulo had nowhere to go. Emergency pass to Dexter Santos, beating the buzzer for that jumper. Abrasaldo to inbound. Decena, off the mark pa rin. Very active tong Quintana, no, boss?
Alam mo, nasa isip lang kasi nito eh. Depensa, dala ng bola. Again, talking about roles, that's the role that, you know, you need to do it. Anong sabi ng coach? As Santos against 2 defenders, kasi nga may Batman and Robin ka na dyan.
Yes.
May Santos ka na, may Castellano ka na. So, walang Gary Payton na pasa lang or may Jason Kidd eh.
Yes.
Diba? So, as Quintana, yun yung ginagawa niya. Kasi kaya nga, effective siya.
Sa mga hindi nakakilala kay Gary Payton, yun po yung tatay ni Gary Payton II na naglalaro sa Golden State Warriors. Gary Payton na old school Seattle Supersonics po.
Yung anak kasi athletic.
Yeah, si Gary Payton hindi.
Okay lang as for...
Sakto lang.
Yeah, for an African-American guy. But the leadership, yung skills niya, the defensive side, you know, mahirap And I believe si Jason Kidd ba ata or si Gary Payton yung distant relative? Si Gary Payton tsaka si Jason Kidd.
Hindi ako sure dyan.
Hindi, meron yan. Search natin.
I think so.
You have it. Pero you've heard about it,
parang,
right?
Parang. Ang naalala ko, magpinsan si Vince Carter at si Tracy McGrady.
Oo. Nalaman na lang nila nung parang may family gathering.
Oo. Na magkaaway daw sila sa court kasi magkaposisyon, di ba?
Oo.
Tapos pagdating daw nung parang 4th of July.
Parang family gathering.
Oo. Yung 4th of July, mga barbecue sa Amerika, di ba? Isa lang pala sila ng lola. Quintana turns it over. Arriola with a steal. Off the mark, pero Decena with a board. Samantilla attacks. Samantilla. Ayaw pa rin talaga for that layup. That would have been huge.
It should have been huge. Again, pwede nga first time to lead eh.
Yes.
Of the ball game eh.
Take a look at this. Santos talagang ina-isolate nila si Santos for all the space. Castellano spins. 2 seconds. Good defense by Daha. Here comes Irvin. All the way to the basket. And it's Irvin Daha.
Derek Santos. Nasa likuran niya. Good decision not to chase that. And another steal now. The Passion Sports closely here with their momentum as Decena cutting in the mid lane on the shaded area. And this is now, Enzo, the first lead of the ball game for Passion Sports.
Grabe. As we see the lakas play of the quarter brought by J Project Clothing Shop, makers of quality uniform shades. Nung laro kanina nila Chog Moran and Pampanga Pradera, lamang na ang Passion Sports Elite 53-51.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Dexter Santos and Familia DC now find themselves in a 2-point hole. Grabe naman yung depensa nito mga taga-Passion Sports. Again, don't look at the height, mga kasinag. It's not the size of the dog in the fight, but the size of the fight in the dog, no, Coach Paul?
Oo. Again, iba talaga pag nilalaro nila. Kung nandun si Daha eh.
Oo. An 8-second backcourt violation pa dito.
And you can see the emotions there of Daha and Arriola flexing to each other, getting that stop, and clearly, Enzo, the momentum goes now through Passion Sports.
And Familia DC in shambles right now, Coach. Pero don't look at that. Bolotaulo nearly turned it into some gold.
Alam ni Decena eh. Sorry, Coach. Mali ko. Next play. I like that attitude of Decena.
Oo. Bolotaulo guarding Daha, Coach Paul, ha?
It will be a very good matchup. Good curl there, but Bolotaulo a bit late. It should have been a steal.
Yes. I mean, we're just seeing the high IQ defensive know-hows ng parehong koponan. But this man, this young gun, si Irvin Daha, did not play for 80% of the first half. Pero dito, sa second half, played every second. And it's been worth it for Passion Sports Elite dahil nga lamang na sila ngayon. 3 minutes and 5 natitira sa ating laro. One out of 2, but still good for a 3-point lead for Passion Sports. And a pushing foul whistled here. Samantilla gets called for his first personal foul. Castellano being hounded from full court. Give it over to Bulutaulo. Again, they isolate Santos at the low block. Dexter, fall-away jumper off the mark. Dexter blocked by Daha. And Daha with a steal. Samantilla, the layup, short. Here comes Bulutaulo. Passion Sports still up by 3 points, and that's going to be a foul whistled here on Arreola.
Too much energy wasted there. Sayang eh, that's 1 against 3. Dapat, set it up, wait for Daha. Kasi yung momentum nasa inyo na kasi eh.
Totoo. 2 minutes and 25 natitira sa ating laro. Santos bumps. Santos puts it up and in. Takeover mode.
Takeover mode now for Santos. Kayod Marino. Alam niya Daha, he's not guarding him. Siguro ngayon na pwede na mano-imano na sila.
Yes. Arreola.
They need to pick up each other.
Arreola swings it. Daha kontra Bulutaulo. And a hand check foul naman dito. And Bulutaulo again.
Just a bad read there for Arreola. Well, I understand, bata pa naman. But itong si Dicena sana on that swing pass there. But before that, ito yung lakas move of the quarter natin sa Cable Link and Holding Corporation. Sayang yung atake kasi ni Daha eh. Nandun sa corner si Dicena. If umalis siya or nag-loop siya, baka siya pa yung open for a backdoor pass.
Totoo, Coach Paul. But Daha, again, making his free throws dito sa fourth quarter. That's the important part, di ba?
Totoo nga, nag-message na si Boss Ray. Boss Eric Arreola, all the way from Japan.
I knew it.
So anak niya to,
anak
sigurado.
Niya na yan. Governor Eric Arreola of Northport Batampier, and also a player for the San Pedro Mamba Extra Zone. Halo-halo in Palabok sa... That's their name.
Huwag ka magsabi ng Palabok, nagugutom tayo eh. Last 2 minutes of our ball game word.
Offensive foul.
Really an offensive foul there on that back pick. Again, talking about Arreola. Siya yung bumubuhay sa kanya sa Passion Sports nung walang Daha.
Yes.
Second quarter, early start of the third quarter, and then luckily, Daha has been very disciplined up to this time. Daha now with 6 rebounds and 18 points, or making that 8 rebounds. Walang rebound to nung first half.
Totoo. Right here. Arreola attacks. Swings it. Jumper. Off the mark. Arreola gets hit in the face.
Oh, kitang-kita mo.
Oh. Even before the shot, di ba?
Yeah, the good thing there is baba yung foul. Pero, penalty na. Yung Familia DC, malaki talagang kawalan na hindi ito naglaro. Itong Igia for Familia DC.
Yes. Again, ito si Dominic Arreola, the son of Governor Eric Arreola of the Northport Batampier. Nanonood ngayon sa Japan daw, di ba, Coach Pro?
Oo. Maganda sa matchup eh. Arreola versus Igia. As you can take a look, our next game, Clifton Tigers, New Jersey versus Canada, AZ Canada West.
Ready. Canada versus New Jersey, di ba?
Oo.
Let's look at that. Santos putting on the gas pedal and wow.
Good business decision there for Daha. No need to foul, no need to rush that shot. With under a minute left, he needs to be on the playing court. But Marquez clearly just a bad foul. Familia DC is already on the penalty on the last 3 minutes of our ball game. Sabi ng coaches, hands up lang eh. No need to foul eh.
And parang even yung mga teammates niya nagulat na why did you have to put your hand on him, di ba, Coach Paul?
What a ball game we have so far. Crucial pack free throw, making his first one. Alam mo si Da, kanina pa ito nagmimintis, but so far, 8 out of 10 free throws, 80%. That's above average.
Yes. Especially for a big man, no, Coach Paul.
Oo. But then again, kahit big man siya, pwede itong mag-small eh. Sa college rank,
right.
Skilled eh.
Bata pa yun.
Bata pa yan.
Favis. They swing it. And grabe naman yung attack na yun.
Palmera. Good defense shown by Ariola. No need or no force to foul. That time, they opted to foul. I think that was a bad foul. They just need to stop.
Yes. Doon nagtataka lahat eh. Why did they foul, di ba, Coach Paul?
Yeah, why will you foul?
You can see Coach Edward Castellano telling his player. Penalty na eh. Clearly, hindi aware to si Castellano.
Ariola making his first free throw. Pressure pack free throw. Still anybody's ball game. Medyo advantage dito. Yung Passion Sports. Dito lang sila lumamang eh, sa fourth quarter eh. As Daha against Dexter Santos getting that rebound from the back.
Grabe naman yung Daha na to, Coach Paul.
Siguro nakaupo siya. Alam niya pag natalo sila, siya yung malaking, I don't want to use the word dahilan, but he should be the culprit. Kasi nga, walang ibang malaki eh. Buti na lang binuhay sila ni Dicena at ni Ariola for 2 quarters.
Yes. Well, Daha pangalan niya, meron na akong mabibigyan ng nickname.
Ano?
Wemban Daha.
Pwede. Gamitin na natin yan.
Ewan ko pa ako. Pagkasabi ko, sa utak ko mukhang maganda pero nung sinabi ko, pangit.
Hindi, maganda yun. Wemban Daha. Ball will go back now to Familia DCO. It was corrected.
They can correct that. The referees can go to the IRS to actually check that under the last 2 minutes tayo.
Yeah, exactly. Nakalimutan eh. Buti na lang. COO natin, mabilis eh. The great Coach Leo Isaac, sabi niya, review tayo, 2 minutes.
Oo, pwede yun eh. And it's not a coach's challenge,
and
diba?
And it's a crucial call.
Yes, crucial call to eh.
Kasi yung first call nila, ball will go back to Familia DC. So, 27.4, 1 game possession, but they corrected it. That ball will go back to Passion Sports. So, dapat replay tayo, IRS tayo eh.
Pan-emotion.
Ganon yung...
Hindi, ginawa mo eh.
Hindi kasi yung referee, kamay lang eh.
Oh, dapat.
Ako kasama ulo eh. Kailangan, di ba? Ayaw ko tignan yung kamay lang eh.
Kailangan yung ulo.
May body language.
May body language.
Oo. Tingnan mo. Di ba? Kamay na naman.
Ulit.
So kung yung ulit dapat 2.
Kaya na-miskit eh.
Kailangan na alamin na sa sarili. Pang 14 na natin to.
Oo.
Pwede pa tayo pang...
May 5 pa.
May 4 pa, pwede pa.
May 5 pa. 9 games ngayon eh. But syempre, all of these games are not for us. Para to sa mga kasinag natin and para po sa mga kabataan itong mga laro natin, di ba?
Exactly. And it's their time to showcase. Kaya nga, ang tawag natin eh, Junior World Showcase. Pinapakita nila yung talent nila throughout the world. Especially itong galing teams na nasa labas, hindi natin kilala kasi eh.
Totoo.
And then, kitang-kita natin. Kanina, ang dami palang player like Igea. We haven't seen this guy. So based on our replay, call will stand, ball will go back to Familia DC.
Let's take a look at this once again. Hindi nga tumama sa kamay.
Oo, tama nga. As Quintana, nag-uusap pa rin eh.
Oo.
Mabis siya kasi dahay.
Hindi ko magkakilala talaga yan. Kutob ko rin Coach Paul eh. Magkakilala siguro eh. As a crucial inbound for Familia DC who are down by 3. Santos gets away. Santos. Oh! What a gamble from Daha. What a gamble.
Yeah, point blank miss there for Dexter Santos. But still a good foul. Trying to stop the clock and putting pressure to Daha. So far, who has 21 points, 6 out of 11 from the field, 9 out of 13 from the free throw line.
Grabe, smart play from Daha. Susundot dapat sa iniwas niya. Naalala niya, 4 fouls na ako.
Good business decision again. Bon Irvin Daha. Insurance basket yon, but still, plenty of games to play. 29 seconds pa lang.
And a timeout been called here for Coach Edward Castellano and Familia DC who are down by 2 possessions right now. A 5-point lead ang lamang ng Passion Sports. Out of all the odds, Coach Paul, aminin natin, mga kasinag, when we saw the line around Passion Sports, a lot of people counted them out immediately, di ba?
Oo.
Pero again, it's not the size of the dog in the fight. It's the size of the fight in the dog.
Yeah, credit to their program, you know, creating the dogs on the player. Maliit ako, pero every time you give me an opportunity, I need to give it all. And a perfect example for that earlier was Labagala hitting that 3-point shot all the way from Royce Hotel to Brent Zigyao Center. Shout out Governor Delta Pineda. Ganda ng hotel.
Ang kulit nung all the way from Royce Hotel yung tres. Ang
layo eh.
Ang layo naman talaga eh. Ang taas pa.
Oo.
Abot na eh. Pag-take off ng mga aeroplano sa Clark.
Oo, 40,000 feet yun eh. You see the arc. You see the follow-through. Yun na nga eh. Next man up. Alam mo, for sure, pag nanalo itong Passion Sports, bibigay natin yung best player kay Daha.
Yes.
Pero, best players eh. Ang daming ginawa
1
naman.
to 15.
Oo.
Etong Dexter Santos can't knock down the jumper. Santos regains it back. Air ball and Daha couldn't collect his 10th rebound.
Yeah, Dexter Santos, hindi nakita Castellano. Very open. They need a 3. They don't need a 2.
Yes. Oh! Natumba dun si Castellano. Palmaira. Heave. Castellano still can't fire. I think that'll do it na, Coach Paul.
Oh, with 9 seconds.
There you go. The stop from Passion Sports against all odds. They will win this ball game. Grabe.
Oo.
Pero, they will still call for time right now, Coach Paul. Maninigurado. They need some insurance basket and plus, again, if may tie, we go to a quotient system.
Exactly. Pupunta na sana ako eh. That's a good timeout for Coach Victor Gonzalvo for Passion Sports. They need to make a basket. Hindi pwedeng i-inbound lang.
Yes.
They need to make a basket. Baka kasi, alam mo, magti-triple tie. Quotient system yan. Again, we have 2 division on this 17 under. 2 teams will go on our semifinals. 1 versus 2, and then knockout naman tayo sa finals.
Yes. Let's take a look at this. 4.6 seconds remaining. 5-point lead for Passion Sports Elite. Gusto pa nilang dagdagan dito. For the quotient system purposes, I mean, let's give a shout out, Coach Rob Labagala. Grabe. Itong Passion Sports Elite mo ha. Kahit yung height mismatch, para si Coach Rob lang eh. Coach Rob wasn't the tallest player on the floor, but
he has the biggest heart.
Oh, the biggest heart talaga.
If I'm not mistaken, 1-2 punch sila nung sa UA. Bisaya din is Ernst Sagindel. If I'm not mistaken.
Pero the tallest player naman ngayon ng Passion Sports Elite ang nag-dominate no Coach Paul. Ano yung nickname namin? Yun banda.
Oo.
So, let's take a look if masushoot ba ni Daha yung 2 free throws and extend their lead pa. He does.
Daha now, 24 points, 10 rebounds, 4 fouls, 3 fouls coming from the first quarter.
Natipid niya eh.
Exactly.
And now 25 points na yan after the second free throw.
Oh, that's just a bad foul there. Buti na lang hindi sila on the penalty.
Yes.
Hindi kailangan mag-score eh.
Yun yung sinasabi nila eh. No foul na. Sinasabi ng coaches ng Passion. No need.
And for Pamilya DC, they need to score here.
Yes. Favis receives long bomb off the mark. And how about Passion Sports Elite? What a victory, Coach Paul.
What a victory. Come from behind. All game long, they were trailed. But credit all of the members for Passion Sports. Kahit sino may ibibigay, hindi lang sa puntos, but sa depensa. At of course, playing your role. Giving an assist, giving a screen, diving for the ball. All the intangibles was created by all of the players at members ng Passion Sports.
Yes, tama ka dyan. As ngayon nga, ang final score natin 64-57 dito in favor of Passion Sports Elite. What a victory nga para sa kanila. They really got this one out through, no, Coach Paul?
Oh, exactly. What a beautiful game. One of the interesting game that we have for today, yun yung hindi nakakaantok eh.
Yes.
Gusto natin yun. Although this is our 4th game coveraging every game, but again, the 17 under, yung energy nila, nabibigay nila. And again, credit to Mr. Bon Ervin Daha, a superb double-double. 90% of his points and all of his rebounds was created this second half.
And don't forget yung performance ni Dominic Joaquin Ariola, di ba? Sumigundo eh.
Yun ang sabi ko kanina. Dicena and Ariola created that win for them, then Daha finished it off.
Yes, and right now, let's turn it over sa ating courtside reporter si Kimberly Advincula for the Sinag Best Player of the Game.
I am now with the Sinag Best Player of the Game, Bon Daha of Passion Sport with 25 points, 9 rebound, and 1 steal. First of all, congrats sa pagkapanalo nyo ngayon. Now, my question is, ano yung nag-push sa'yo or ano yung sinabi sa inyo ni Coach para mapanalo yung laro mo ngayon?
Stay composed lang po and hard work lang po sa defense po.
Ayun, may gusto ka bang batiin sa kanila?
Thank you for my family for supporting and thank you for my manager, Coach Rob Labagala.
And that's it for our Sinag Best Player. Now, back to you, Enzo and Coach Paul.
Thank you so much, Kim, and congratulations to Bon Ervin Daha. Monster double-double. Coach Bon, Coach Paul, your final thoughts.
Again, every time you play, always give it all. That's what Passion Sports is all about onto this game. Kahit sino may naaambag. Kaya nga, Bon Ervin Daha finish it off after sitting the most of the time on that first half.
Grabe nga eh. Pero maasinag, dyan na po magtatapos ang ating ika-4 na laro. 5 laro pa po ang mapapanood nyo dito sa Brengyao. Coming up next, it's the representatives of New Jersey, ang Clifton City Tigers, kontra the representatives of Canada, ang Phil Hoops Basketball. Susunod na po yan, but that ends our 4th game for Coach Paul Joven. Kim Advincula, ako po si Enzo Galarosa on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago and the rest of the hard-working men and women na nagtrabaho dito. And this has been your Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Delta Cup.